Ready to ditch the boring and unleash your inner artist with Adobe Creative Cloud? First, let's get the basics down. Make sure you have an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and the applications you would like to use downloaded and installed, such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and After Effects. You can find the applications inside the Creative Cloud desktop app today. We'll focus on making fun projects, and that starts with exploring the interface of each app. Let's dive into Photoshop. Click Create New in the dialog box. Select social media to get the right dimensions for a fun Instagram post. Now open an image or two. Use the selection tools to cut objects. Then use the tools for adding colors and effects to your image, like filters and gradients. Next, let's jump into Illustrator. Try creating a simple cartoon character. Start with basic shapes in Illustrator such as ellipses and rectangles. Layer the shapes to build your character piece by piece. Use the fill and stroke tools to add vibrant colors. Don't be afraid to experiment. Illustrator is perfect for illustrations. Finally, time for some animation using After Effects. Import your images from Photoshop or Illustrator, or even video clips. Use keyframes to animate elements, like making text bounce. After Effects is perfect for creating animated GIFs, social media graphics, or short videos. See, creating fun content is easier than you think. Experiment with the tools, combine different apps, and most importantly, have fun learning the process. Remember to use the hashtag #CreativeFun and show off your projects.